Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back. My name's Travis Plum. Thank you again for joining us on the channel. I cannot wait to show you our newest listing right here in the heart of Fort Worth in this beautiful historic area. This area is top notch, and you're just literally minutes away from TCU, the bars, the restaurants, all the good stuff that Fort Worth has to offer. So I cannot wait to show you around the neighborhood. Can't wait to show you around the house. So let's go inside and let's check it out. All right, let's take a look around now. But before we go and look at this beautiful house, this property was built in 1958. It's got 2,319 square foot. It's been completely remodeled, except I want y'all to look, before I get into some of the other stuff, look at these floors. These are the original floors that came with this property that have been completely redone. I'm just loving that stuff. But again, this is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, over 2,300 square foot. And this is in a prime location. You can literally walk to TCU. I mean, there's just so many good vibes. When I was driving into here, there were families walking everywhere, kids everywhere, college students walking everywhere. Everyone's just living their best life. And the people who are selling this property, they completely remodeled this entire spot. So we're gonna take a look around. I'll walk you through each one of those rooms. So let's go over here, and we'll start over here with the first quarter of the house. So right here, obviously you've got a nice bathroom. Again, if you've got family or kids that are going to college, this could be a great investment for you as well. Everything's already redone in this whole entire property, right? So you've got the nice bathroom right here. You've got 2 bedrooms over here. So we're gonna check out this one right here. And again, you've got a really nice sized bedrooms. These are the original hardwood floors. You've got the glass windows rolling through, nice sized closet. And then of course, you've got some storage in here. You got another bedroom right over here. This bedroom is even bigger than that bedroom over there. You've got more windows in here. Really nice. Again, the original hardwood floors that they've been all fixed up and all that good stuff. And take a look. I mean, you've got a nice stand-up shower in here. You've got a nice, everything's been completely remodeled. It looks really, really good. So let's go over to the other side of the house and check that out too. Come on. So there's plenty of good reasons to want to move into this area, right? And one of those is that you're close to TCU, all the fun stuff. And then of course you've got really easy access to the highways, and you've got top rated schools. This is in one of the top rated school districts according to greatschools.org. So great property to live in, lots of good amenities, really close to the highway. Again, this is just a rare find. This is one of the best properties in the entire neighborhood that's for sale for this price. We were pricing it at $655,000. We want to move this property. So if you or anyone you know is thinking about moving to Fort Worth, Texas, please let us know. Send us a DM, leave a comment below. Make sure you like, subscribe so everyone else can see this. But as you can tell, they completely redid the kitchen. Really nice cabinets, nice paint, nice colors. You got your sink right here. Easy access to the backyard, and then you come right over this way right here. New floors right here, okay? So inside the kitchen, you got new floors. You got a nice size walk-in laundry room. Check it out. Comes with the washer dryer. Water heater's already set up. You're all good to go. Okay, let's go on over this way. We'll check out this third room on the first floor. So here's the third room, final room. Again, nice windows. Got the built-in lights right over here. Huge walk-in closet. Like, this is crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is a pretty good sized walk-in closet for 2,300 square foot property. And then the bathroom over here is also really nice as well. It's been remodeled. And you can tell right here, they've got really nice sinks. You got his and her sinks. You got some extra storage over here. The showers have been redone. You got the throne room. We got to get you a little mirror here. That's the only thing we're missing is a mirror. I know, before you leave me comments, Travis, it doesn't even have a mirror. I know, I can see, but we'll get you a mirror. Don't even worry about that, all right? Now we're gonna go upstairs and check out the final bedroom. Come on. You know, and another thing that I really like about this neighborhood is it is just so beautiful. It's so well established, and it's a really, really quiet neighborhood. So if you're looking for a great place, great school districts, easy to get to the highways and everything's really close by, and you want something well established, you want an area that's really, really quiet and peaceful and tranquil, this is definitely your spot. So again, the last bedroom upstairs, lights, windows, all the good stuff, a nice big walk-in closet, and you got a really nice bathroom in here as well. Let's check this out. See, I told you we'll get y'all some mirrors. Don't even trip. Don't even trip about the mirrors. We got some mirrors. We'll get you some mirrors, okay? Nice storage, bathroom, shower, his and her sinks. Everything is just perfect. This is just such a very rare, great opportunity, whether you want to live here or you want to have it as a really good investment. You could have 3, 4 college kids in here paying the rent. I mean, this is a great place for someone to live, good investment or family property. It just kind of hits all the check boxes. So we're gonna go back downstairs. We're gonna go outside. We'll walk you around a little bit out there so you can kind of see what you're getting. And then we'll wrap this up with some good footage of the different neighborhoods and surrounding fun things to do. All right, so we're outside, of course. As you can tell, like everything's already been repainted. It looks really good. Nice covered patio. Just picture you and your friends or you and your family out here cooking, barbecuing, grilling. This is what we do. And if you're in Fort Worth, you gotta know how to barbecue. The barbecue out here is like top-notch stuff. So great place to live in, lots of parking. You've got this huge separate detached two-car garage. You've got parking all the way through here, all the way back here, all the way up to the front. You can park in the street, and then you've got a really nice sized backyard over here with plenty of privacy. No one's gonna be looking at you from behind. You can have, this is plenty of space for a pool back here as well. I mean, this is just an absolute home run. Now let's head back out to the front. Let's wrap this tour up, and I'll see you around there. All right, you guys, so that pretty much wraps up our tour of the property today. Really curious on your thoughts. Like, what did you think? Did you like it? Please leave us some comments below and make sure that you like and subscribe. Tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current markets over here in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. And again, I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for being here for us and helping me and Levi grow the channel over the last 3.5 years. It's been so much fun. But again, we need your love. We need your comments. Like, subscribe, and share this. And if you know anyone who's looking for a beautiful property, we're listing this one for $655,000. Again, it's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 2,319 square feet, built in 1948, completely remodeled. You know what to do, all right? And we'll see you around town.